Anyways, good morning, guys. I hope you guys are well this morning. Today is Friday, and I am currently getting ready to go to work. But in the ndifuna speeding because I'm trying to think should I do my hair or not, because bendizawukwenza intloko today, but I'm looking at my hair and I'm just like, should I don't think so, because it looks nice. The only thing is I want to go to an event tomorrow. This tripod is not steady, so I want to go to an event tomorrow. So andifuna nengxaki yentloko, like I don't want to be late because of my hair or whatever. So but my hair looks great today. I don't know, Sawubona. I think you guys are gonna see this vlog maybe next week, like after the concert. I'm going to Gospel Goes Classics or something like that. So my friend and I are going to that, but I'll tell you more about that tomorrow. Today I just wanted to come make like an intro type of thing, so ninibone because abanye benu bandigqibele kudala yabo. So ndifuna ninibone ke ngoku nindazi ba yeah, this is Sips Nosipho SO for Cape Town. For those who don't know, I'm from Cape Town. Yeah, so I will show you guys a bit of things, or like I will do like a vlog of my weekend or whatever, so you guys can just get to know what goes on in my life. I'm also just making this to diarize, or rather to just make memories, like to record memories and all of that. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. Sawubonana. Hey guys, I hope you're right. The last time I spoke to you guys, I think, was when I was going to work, and then you saw some clips of me at work. Well, not at work, well, kind of, but anyways, after work, after arriving at work, we had a briefing And that's where you saw all of those words on the board. My colleague, it was her day to do like a motivational talk or whatever with us. So she had like a worksheet that she wanted us to complete. Then she had like all of those words on the board that she said we must fill in on the worksheet and whatnot. So yeah, so all of those words like excellence and understanding, those were the words that we were using for. So anyways, I was just disturbed. So those are the words we were using for the worksheet. And then yeah, afterwards we went to our classes, completed e-marking and all of that jazz. And then today we were allowed to leave work at 12 o'clock. Usually on Fridays we leave at like 12:30. Kids leave at 12, we leave at 12:30. So today we left at 12 because like our principal felt like we had been doing a lot of work basically throughout the week. So he was like, nah, you guys deserve a break. So yeah, anyways, I'm taking off my glasses because I feel like the flash is gonna on the lens. So yeah, yeah, so I was just coming up here to update you guys. Afterwards I went to the salon in Belleville. Guys, hey, so when I got there, right, I didn't prepare my hair in advance. Usually I wash my hair at home and then I go there and just get my hair plaited or braided or whatever. So I went there, got my hair washed. After washing, my hair was being blow dried by someone else, yabo. So while this guy was blow drying my hair, I could feel ukubana kukho into enditsalayo like entloko, because my head was facing down, right? So then when I looked up and I was looking in the mirror, is this guy not plucking out my hair? Like, is he not taking out my hair? And I'm just looking at him in the mirror like, and then as he's plucking out, damnana like that ngesandla. And then he looks at me and then I look at him and I'm like, that's my hair. And then one drawing, I was confused. Like, he looked like, he was like, and I was like, that's my hair. Like, what are you doing? And then he's like, no, I'm just, and I was like, no, that's my hair. And I feel like he was taking out the gray hair on my head. He didn't ask me if I'm fine with it. He just decided that he was going to do it. And so it was kind of weird. And I feel like if ungumuntu uzosenza inhloko, rather ask us first, like, what do we want enhlokweni yethu? Don't just assume, because he's ripping out hair from my head. And I'm just looking at him like, what are you doing? And go I got an explanation. But anyway, yeah, so I came back from doing my hair. Guys, I'm so sorry. This part of the vlog is all over the show because I'm holding the tripod with my hand and I'm so tired. I'm gonna go wash my face and then I'm gonna go chill with my family and then afterwards I'm gonna sleep. So I think I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. December, get ready with me because I'm going to Gospel Classic or Classics. I don't know, guys, and there's no lineup. I don't even know the lineup for that event. So what happened was my friend purchased tickets, right, for Gospel Classics, and then she like sent me her receipt, her ticket, and then I was like, oh yeah, I actually want to go too. So then I bought the ticket VIP nalapo, and then now that the event is tomorrow, I haven't even done any research about like who's gonna be there, what time does it start, and what time does it like andazinto. I'm literally just going there for the vibes at this point, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me so that you can just see what's going on. But andiazi man. Also, guys, please do not judge me for the way I look. I'm feeling quite insecure about my face. I think it's a bit early for me to disclose this, but I'm feeling a bit insecure about my face because of the acne that's on my face. Usually I'm not an acne prone person, like I don't have acne prone skin, but I just got like a hormonal acne out of nowhere and it just refuses to go away. And I also used that yellow product with the vitamin C range. Guys, that product, you're in as in a purger. Like my face was purging, like my skin was purging to a point. I'm like you can't even recognize me anymore. So now I've changed products. I will be seeing a dermatologist soon. I will also take you guys on that journey. Yeah, so yeah. So please don't comment on my skin. Please, I beg you. I beg you. Because it began to England bother Rishi, but now it actually does bother me. Like the more I think about it. And to think about it, it's not even women who are commenting on my skin, it's men. Like it's men who keep asking me, like, what's going on with your skin? Like blah 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 blah. Did you change products? And I don't want you guys to like suggest things or like places that I must go to, like, and Coco's a state of mind. All I care about right now is Mama Isuke. But I don't want you guys to tell me how to do that. I will work it out. I will figure it out by myself. Because the worst thing is you trying to figure out izinto on your own, and then there's people who are also just trying. Shame, I know like some people are really like trying to give out advice, but at the same time it's just like, just be sensitive. Yeah, but yeah, anyways, my skin is purging out. I've got acne and it's a whole lot, so I'm just gonna go do my night skin routine. I might shoot the products that I use now for my face. I might not. I don't know. Because at this point, I don't even know where this vlog is going. But I just feel like I needed to open something on my channel. Like I needed a video that can open my channel. So that Nisa one bana. Yeah, I'm still alive. Nisa Pila. I want you guys to get to know me better. Like I said before to some people, like this channel is going to be basically a diary for me. It's going to be a place where I create memories for myself. I want to be able to reflect on events and things that happened in my life by obviously using the YouTube platform. Difuna, like a memory box type of thing. So I'm going to use this platform as my diary for now until I actually figure out what I want out of vlogging, because there are actually content creators who create content. They planile into yoba okay ngoku ndiza kwenza 1, 2 and 3. I just had I have a vision of how this particular vlog is gonna be. I'm hoping it turns out the way that I want it, because I think I did try. I think I'm trying, guys. This is the most commitment I've given anything. So yeah, please guys, I'm only just a girl. Don't be too harsh on me. It is my first time doing this. Hopefully I will get better with time. And I'm more than open to positive criticism or any criticism at all. Yeah, but anyways, I am gonna go wash my face now and get ready for bed. Sabonani ngomso at the concert that I don't even know igama layo, but sabonana khona. See y'all. I hope you've been able to
Hello, sir. He's trying. That is the name of Jesus. Father, He died and hanged on the cross for us. Hallelujah. When we have come into the very presence of the Lord, something has got to shift.
Hi guys. So anyways, this is a ending vlog ne. I was supposed to shoot on Sunday, which was yesterday. Today's Monday. But I was too tired to, like, I came back at like 12, so, and I still had to go to church and all of that, get dressed and all of that. I initially thought, Tuguti, I was gonna take you guys with me to church, but I was too tired, yabo. So I came back and I told myself, Guti, you know what? I'm not even gonna bother with andithanda uhlobo endihleli ngalo. Like andithandi ngoba ingathi ndingaba makhulu bakwi-70s, 60s. But guys, I can't do anything about it because my hands are too sore because I've been marking the whole day. I've been capturing marks and reports and Goku. So I just put a camera on my tripod on my bed. It's one of those short ones, so I can't put it up by my email. But I don't like the way I'm sitting. It's like not in the respect. But you know what? I must move with what I have. Right. Where was I? Yeah, so I was supposed to vlog on Sunday, but I was just feeling very tired. And today I was even overwhelmed and I can't share like a day nani because there's just too many things happening at the same time. Yeah, but I went to work, came back to work, and excuse my gown, but sana guys. It is so cold in Cape Town. Like winter in Cape Town is like absurd. But anyway, so yeah guys, today's Monday. Came back from work and I did a few stuff. And I actually already shooted. I already shot the ending of this vlog. I already shot the ending of this vlog, but I didn't like how it turned out because I feel like the flash was just too much there in my face. So this is my second attempt now of shooting the closing yale vlog. So my weekend was nice, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog of the concert. This weekend I have another concert I'm going to, so I am invited to a African Gospel Church, AJC. They invited me to have or to attend a worship session with them. They're gonna have all these artists there. Pastor El Ndaba, I think is his name, is going to be there. King weCwecwa, bayazi Cwecwa, King yeCwecwa, founder yeCwecwa is going to be there. Sopu is going to be there. Pastor Vimboniswa is going to be there as well. Who else is going to be there? Yeah, a couple of people are going to be there as well, attending and also performing. So I was invited there by my cousins, and then I was also invited by some other people, because we met at the concert. Like Lamdune, I know him from TikTok. I followed him because he's a Christian TikToker, you get me? And then he followed me back, or I don't know if it was like vice versa, or like I don't know if the other way around. He followed me, I don't know, but we followed each other on TikTok. So he was like, yeah, no, you should actually come to the event. And I was like, yeah, no, sure, for sure I'm coming, because my cousin invited me anyways, so I'm gonna go. But I am a bit skeptical of going though, because and it's my first time attending a event or a worship service from another church. Usually in the attend like I don't branch out and go to other churches or whatnot. But I thought, let me be spontaneous this year and actually do something and see when am I gonna like it or not, because I don't want to box myself to like being at my own church the whole time. I wanna explore other people's churches and like experience like but not like but like something within the lines there. And I'm umculo, and I am a worshiper at church, so it only makes sense that I actually go to this event. So I want to just see the vibe. I want to experience something different. But so that's where I'm going to be this weekend, and I want to take you guys with me to the event. I think I'm going to start the vlog on Friday and then end it off on like Sunday or something, or Saturday. But I also don't want to make it too long, because I already feel like this vlog is already too long. So and shout out I don't want to. Okay, maybe I should. My IGCIA Amahle. You guys know who I'm talking about. You know who I'm talking about. My IGCIA Amahle. Begumnandu banani. That's all I'm gonna say. Begumnandu banani. So yeah, I met with a couple of people from church at the concert as well, and we were just having like a lekker time there. Like, it was vibes. So that's where I'm gonna be this weekend, and sizawuzama nyani ke ukwenzela nina, because anenzeni mina, yabo. But I'm gonna try my best. Also, guys, I feel like as time goes by, I will loosen up, because there's almost when izinto and camera, something happens. Be camera shy. For what reason? And yes, but so that's what's gonna be happening this weekend. I will try my best to vlog it. Also, please like, comment, share, subscribe on this page, because this page is gonna be it's gonna be lonto izoba. But yeah, thank you for the people who subscribed already. I am planning on doing a get ready with me. Guys, please ignore your voice, because I was singing too much this weekend, so it's a little bit shaky. I will be doing a get ready with me soon. I just want to reach like 50 subscribers. I want to reach 50 subscribers. At least because andifuna ukwenza ngathi ndithethela mna, because nani nikhona ngoku, yabo, ekuqaleni bendithe lam mos memory box yami le, but ke ngoku I want to share these things with you guys. So if you guys want to know more about me, you will just hit me up on Instagram or any social platform that you have, social media platform that you have me on. You will ask me the questions. You can even ask me the questions on the comments below. Yabo. And then yeah, I'll definitely do a video in the upcoming weeks, and yeah, and post it. But I hope you guys had a nice time on this vlog and you saw Guti what goes on in the daily life of Sips. Yabo. Sips is an ordinary gal. So like I said, the channel yam is gonna be about Christianity, it's gonna be lifestyle, it's gonna be about hair care and travel vlogs and all of the nice stuff. So I think my Christian girlies, if you want umdu who is a Christian and is into these things, yabo, I'm your girl. Look no further, I got you. So yeah, I'm hoping you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog, and I'm hoping I'm gonna hear more from you. Please guys, because this is my first time vlogging and actually taking something seriously. Like in a serious and doing lose myself. So yeah, you can comment, leave a comment, like, share the page, subscribe, and I got you. Sabonanani Friday at the worship session. No, Sabonanani Friday, I'm vlog. Saturday, Sabonana at the worship session. Otherwise, Sabonanani. Bye.